Hello, everyone. Importing an app on the platform helps us manage access, security, and user authentication all in one place. Today, we will walk through the steps to successfully import an app into Okta. Let's get started. On the Okta dashboard, we navigate to the Application section on the left. Here, we can see a drop-down menu. We click on Applications. To onboard an app, we have several options. One way is to create an app integration. We start by clicking Create App Integration. For example, we can use OpenID Connect. We can also browse the catalog to use SAML 2.0, SWA, or API services. Today, we will focus on OpenID Connect. It only takes about 30 seconds. We simply browse the app catalog. As we can see here, these are our apps. We can search for a specific app directly in the search bar. When we find the app we want to add, we click on it. Then we click Add Integration and proceed with the verification. We fill in the required details. We complete this form and click Next. We fill in the signing options, and once finished, we click Done. And that is how we import an app into Okta. Our application is now ready for secure access and user management within the Okta environment.